Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're opening another Miniverse real brand. So these actually have the food items inside, unlike the mini brands. There are codes on the Cheez-It part. There's pencil marks. This one should have Smuckers and popsicles. So let's see if that's accurate. There's at least 5 in here. The miniatures come in these grocery bags, and there should be at least one that you put together in here. So, oh yes. Oh, okay. So this bag came with our popsicles, orange, cherry, and grape. We'll open that in a minute. We also have our strawberry jam, came with a spoon, and then here is the jam. This, like the peanut butter, feels a little hard to squeeze out, so I'm probably going to honestly sit on it. Let my body temperature kind of, not really melt it, but loosen it up. That way it's easier to pour into here, because the peanut butter, man, that hurt my fingers. So that's cute. I did want to see the Smuckers. We also have another bag. There should be 3 items in here. Ooh, some Snowballs. That's a good one. Those are the coconut and marshmallow little pink ones. There's those Pringles. I thought we were getting Pringles in the last one. There's like, I think 5 different Pringle flavors to collect. And some more peanuts, but this time I could actually open it because it's in a container that can be sealed. Unlike the corn nuts, you couldn't reseal those, so I didn't open them. Oh my gosh, how cute. I don't even know where to start. I showed the checklist in my last video. There's over 50 to collect, I think it said. And I'll just briefly show it. So we did get the middle jelly there. There's other ones to get. 2 different Jif ones. Pop-Tarts, frozen stuff, coffee, Twinkies, cupcakes, Uncrustables, Cheez-Its, all those different Pringles. My son's favorite is just the original Pringles, so he'll be happy that he got that. We got these ones. I really would like to see the Spam. I think that's adorable. Do have some meat, cheeses, frozen popsicles, ice creams, you name it. This is really cool. Okay, so let's open these and take a look. I think I'm gonna start maybe with the popsicles. These containers have been pretty decently easy to open without ripping them. Are these individually wrapped? They are. And you can see through them what colors they are. Oh gosh, the boxes are so detailed. Let me use this to take them out. Yep, just as I would assume, there's one of each. You can tell that one's purple, that one's red, that one's orange. I'm gonna cut one open. I hate to almost cut them open, but that's kind of the point, so that you can see them. So let's go ahead and open it. If boss lady gets mad for whatever reason, we could just tape them back up. But she's at school, so she doesn't even know that I'm opening these. Oh, cute. They look just as I would expect them to. So again, there's also an orange one and a red one. That's very cute. Let's scooch those to the side. Let's do the Pringles next. Pops off. We do have a seal. Gonna gently peel back. I won't take it off all the way. Yeah, it is full on. I think there's still more in there. There's still more at the end. It is absolutely stacked. I probably shouldn't take them all out because I'll never be able to get them back in how they are. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. They're a little bit wider than I would say a Pringle is, but you get the concept. Adorable. And I would imagine the flavored ones, is there a cheddar one on the checklist? I think maybe there was. Yeah, I imagine that one maybe is a little tinted orange to make it look cheesy. Oh my gosh. Just gonna randomly drop some of those back in there. That is the cutest. Perfect for miniature food play. I'm just gonna leave some of those out. Let's do the peanuts next. Ooh, I accidentally ripped the seal with hardly even trying. These are salted mixed nuts. Oh my god. I didn't think I would be that excited about peanuts, but they did a great job. You can tell there's like pistachios, a little cluster in there, some cashews, some almonds. You can tell exactly what they're supposed to be. And again, oh my god, they even put salt in it. That is hilarious. I was not expecting that. That is so funny to me. Props to them for thinking of those tiny details. Now the container, it looks like there is a thing like right here so it doesn't go all the way down, but you still got an entire gaggle of peanuts. And I now have whatever this is in my hand. Wonder if it's actually salt. I'm not going to lick it to find out, but that would be funny and obviously harmless if that was grounded up salt. Adorable. And I love that you can just kind of put that back down, put the lid on it, and it's all contained. However, I picture my daughter spilling that out everywhere. Kind of like I did, but not in her hand nicely. And even if it did make it in her hand, she'd probably go, ew, and then dump it on the carpet, because, you know, kids. So, let's see these cuties. Oh my god. I haven't had a snowball in ages, but I like marshmallows, so those were always good as a kid. I liked them. But look at the detail. You can see the marshmallow coming out the middle. Are you serious? Oh my gosh. These are just perfect. And I love mini brands, but I'm almost like mini brand 2, like Miniverse. Oh my gosh. They were like, oh, okay, I get your concept, but I'm going to do it 10 times better. That is amazing. I want to collect all these now. I do have at least 3 or 4 more containers to open. I've already opened up one and filmed it and posted it. So check it out and let me know what you're most excited about. Because I think I want to see the Spam the most and maybe the Babybels because you can actually peel them. Oh my gosh. And maybe even Laughing Cow. So I'm going to go with Spam, the cheeses. That's what I want to see the most, but I bet all those popsicles are stinking adorable. But yeah, leave me a comment. Let me know what you would like to see the most. And thanks so much for watching. Just kidding, the video's not over. I forgot I was sitting on a packet of jelly. So, maybe slightly more pliable. But again, I was probably only sitting on it for like, I don't know, 5 minutes. Same thing with the peanut butter. I'm snipping just the smallest corner. Just pops off, doesn't screw off. Let's see if we can get it in there. There's a huge air pocket in there. Oof. It feels like slime that's starting to harden. That's kind of what it feels like. And it's not really like sticky, it's almost like a dry consistency. Sticky putty. Sticky tack? Sticky putty. The stuff you use to hang up posters and like stuff in your room. I don't even know if people still use that. But my bedroom growing up was covered in posters and stuff. And that's what I used to put them up with. And that's what it feels like to me. Like slightly tacky, but not really. So last time I used the edge of this to kind of apply a bunch of pressure and drag it down to the corner. Oh. I was getting my workout today from doing this. I thought it would be a little bit more red. It's more of like a light pink, but it's still love the concept. But you know, I wouldn't have been mad if it came already filled. That would be tons of fun too. And I feel like easier for them to recreate, maybe. Instead of stuffing it into a plastic bag and sealing it, they could have just put some in there. So this is gonna take a minute. My hands are already hurting and tensing up. I'll be back when I change my mind again. Welcome to my indecisive channel. I'm like, it's not really sticky. Let's just cut it open and pull it out. Won't that be easier? And as my motto always goes, we're about to find out. I guess I could cut it down the middle too. Again, I don't know what this stuff's made out of, but I'm not really scared of it. But I will wash my hands when I get done playing with this and putting it in there. Ah, yeah, that's gonna be much easier. Yeah, it just feels like slime that's a little dried out. It's not sticking to your hands, but it has like a stretchiness to it. That makes sense. So we can kind of mold it and shove it in there. Now it's going to make the little fart noises because I'm trapping air in there. Is there airway at the bottom? Or do I just have extra jelly? Perhaps both. Looks like there is a little spot at the base there. Maybe I can push it in there and work the air out. You don't have to put all of it in there though, obviously. That's pretty full. How adorable. I love this. And not to nitpick, but yeah, I thought it was going to be a little bit redder, but it's still 10 out of 10 in my opinion. This is just cute. And it should, yeah, just pop on like that. It doesn't twist. Ugh, that is chef's kiss. Last time I kind of rated my favorites, so I guess I'll do that too, even though I already closed out the video. Here we are again. I'm gonna go, this is my favorite, followed by a very close second, the Snowballs. I almost feel like it's a tie between those. The peanuts, the salt, that was amazing. Then the Pringles, then the popsicles, because these are similar to the mini brands, or they weren't mini brands, they were real littles, that's what they were called. And some of them were about this size, some of them were bigger. My daughter had a bunch of them and they were really cool. So that's what that reminds me of. So I would say 1, 2, 3, those are my top 3. Rank them below in the comments and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching again. Bye guys.